Hey guys, John at Fix A Fence here. I'm at a customer's house today, and we've already started putting this fence in. We set the posts. We're about ready to finish up today. I come upon this post today, and because I had to bring a 4x4 over. We set this post just the other day, and it wasn't cracked like that, guys. Look at that. This was a brand new post. Oh, and look at this one here. All the way down, guys. Anyway, so obviously the customer wasn't too happy with that, and I don't blame him. So I told the guys they're going to take lunch right now. I told the guys they sent me over here to check this out, and I'm like, we put some screws in there. He tried to put some screws in there to save it, thinking that maybe the customer might like that, but I don't blame him. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to go ahead and I'm going to go get a 4x6 pressure treated wood post right now and go get a couple bags of concrete. After the guys take lunch, they're going to come here and pull this post out. Now the job's got to be on hold, and this is what's really upsetting. I mean, I could have been done with this job, but hey, the billionaires are billionaires, so now I got to go spend money to have the guys take it out. I got to go spend money on gas that's up to what, $5-6 a gallon now, to go pick up another post that's unseasoned and been spit through the pressure treating plant. But hopefully I get one of those 4x6s. Might give it another maybe 2 more months. Hopefully I get my year of warranty out of it before it does what it's supposed to do: twist, crack, and break. Thanks, guys. Anyway, if you're watching billionaires, I know what you're doing, and thank you, I appreciate it, but I don't know, why don't you just stop it? Well, let's make this world a better place. Right? That's right. You got to make them all. Anyway, here we are. I had to get this 4x6 here, guys, because the 4x4 already cracked, and we haven't even got the gate up yet. So, like I showed you, this is what's going on. Hopefully, this will last about 6 more months than the previous post, because it only lasted about 2 days in that hole.
All they had to do is start drying out, I think. We cracked it.
Yeah, like I said,
the quality of wood they got in a lot of that, is not quality.
Exactly. That's why I say, it's seasoning online nowadays. So you guys buyer beware, man. I already told the guy you should go with steel posts, but it's a little bit more expensive, man. Some people can't afford it, but that's the way it should be doing, steel posts, guys. All right.
Happy we guarantee our work.
That's right. Well, the guys got it offloaded for me, and I think they're going to finish their lunch. I don't know, but I got paperwork to do, so I just wanted to show you what we're going to put in that place of that 4x4. You guys keep smiling. Have a great day. Hope it helps out on your fence line.